So in this video, I am going to show you how to share your screen in a Zoom meeting on your phone. So first, you need to join a meeting or you need to create any meeting. So I'm just creating one meeting. So I'm just starting a meeting. So I just started a meeting. Then you need to just go to share. So then you need to just click on share. Then you need to scroll down and just click on screen. So you need to allow this and you need to go to this. Then you need to provide the permission. Then go back. Then your screen is automatically start recording. So now your screen is shared to the Zoom meeting. You can just go again